Here is our recap on the 10. Yesterday, we talked about how to insert table in Microsoft Word and where we can use it in Microsoft Word and which data we can use to insert Microsoft Word, like a attendance or timetable. We can use a Microsoft Word, and we can use a table in that. Then we see how we can insert a picture in Microsoft, and we see where we can use Microsoft, where we can use photo in Microsoft Word, where we can use Microsoft Word, photo in Microsoft Word. Then inserting shapes. We see how we can insert our shapes, how we can decrease it and increase our shape in Microsoft Word. And then we see different shapes that we have. Today we will talk about header and footer. Header is top of our page, then footer is down of our page. Header, we can insert many things inside our header. We can insert a title or date or reference. Then footer insert we can write a copyright references. Then we can write a address in here. Then all copyright. Then page number automatically numbers page for easy organization, usually placed at the top or bottom of our document. We can insert our page number any direction that we went, top, bottom, left, right. We can all insert our page number in here. We can all, but normally by default, we insert our page number in bottom of our document. Let us go to, let us start the practical. Okay, here is our header. Here is our header. Let us come to insert, then header, add header. Then we choose any header that we want. We click here. Then we write anything that we want to insert in our header. Let me see. Let's see. Okay. You see, we can edit the text inside our header, we can bold it, we can increase the text, we can centralize it here, and we can make it to be right, we can make it to be left, then we can centralize it, then we can choose any color that we want in here. See? Then for the footer, we will come back here and footer. We choose any text that we want. We choose here, footer. See. Let us write much technologies. and consultants. You see, we can write anything that we want inside our footer. Then, and we can write a email address inside. Say, Hammad technologies, um, gmail.com. You see, exactly like header, we can customize our text here. Can change font style, font size, and anything that we want to customize. See, here is our footer. Then when we delete, you see all our footer take this, all our footer and header take this. Then when we want to delete this, when we delete this Ministry of Health for the first page, all the all the this Federal Ministry of Health will be deleted all. Let us see. Let us open our header. Then we highlight it. Then we click backspace or delete. Then let us close our header. See, let us drag. You see, it disappear. You see, it disappear. All it disappear. Then when we delete this Hammad technologies for the future, every footer, every Hammad technology in the footer will be deleted. Let us delete. See, no anymore. No anymore in here. No anymore. See, all it is affair. All. Then page number. We have 5 pages. We want to insert page number for them. We'll come here, insert, then here we choose page number. Then we choose for the bottom of page. We just click here. See, our page number, it start out as Roman figure. Then when we want to format it to be in numbers, we will come here, customize, then we choose 1, 2, 3. Then we'll click. You see our page number, it come normal numbers. See, here is 3, here is 4, here is 5. Then for this start at and continue previous. Like we want the first number to continue at the previous page. Like it will start at the first page. We will choose this continue previous. When we want to, like we want to accept, we want to escape the number 1 page. Then we write the page that we want to start at. Let us click start at. It show us 1. Then we can type the number that we want. Like let us see it. Let us format it to be like this. See, see, our page number is start at 2. See, it escape 1. It start at 2. It escape 1. Then if you want 3 or 5 or any number that you want, you can use. Normally we use continue previously. Then we use these normal numbers. Then okay. Our page number will, you see, here is our first one. We, we select continue from previous. If you select the start at, then you type the number that you want, the number that you want will, the number that you type in the start at will, anyone that have a question, he can ask, okay, you can ask in the chat box. Hello, I'm waiting for your questions.
From my own side, there is no question. So all
I
I
can't,
need to say is just
please, I can't hear
thank
you.
you for.
You see?
I say from my own side, I don't have a question. So
Okay,
all I want to say is thank you for today's session. Though we faces a lot of network challenges, but we
okay,
understand at least. Yeah, thank you so
okay.
much.
Any question from others? Any question from others on how to write a text under our header or footer, or how to insert?
No, from my side,
Okay,
no question.
okay. Page number. Let me give you an example, like like a project, or like in project you want to, you can add a page number. Then like you numbering your pages to be in automatic numbers, when you printed your document, you will see the you will see the page number inside your document. Any direction that you insert your page number, bottom or left, top or right, any direction that you insert your page number. This is the importance of page number, to see how many pages that you have, and if you printed it out, you will see the page number inside your document. You can see your page number in hard copy and soft copy. When you insert it, you can see it. And you see how we can insert the page number. Wa? You see how we can insert it, how we can change the number to Roman figures, and how we can change the direction to be in footer or to be in top. Can you hear me, Bello Omar? Hello, Bello Omar. Can you hear me? Hello,
Yes, God, we can hear you.
it's Bello Omar. Any more question from you?
Hello, what I'm saying,
Yes.
how to insert the number in your work while typing, just as we have demonstrated earlier on. So in the computer now, where do I go to? Where do I click and then insert the page number in my work?
Okay, I think you come late, ba?
No, actually, I think, but the problem is network problem. I've been
Okay.
following, but sometimes I'm not
Okay, let me share
not here.
let me share my Microsoft Word to you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, here is our Microsoft Word. Let us delete this.
Yes, I'm following.
See, you see, we don't have page number. We all deleted the page number that we inserted. You see, our page is all blank.
Okay,
So firstly, you will come here in insert.
okay,
Then you come here, you will see here page number, add page number.
okay,
Then you click page number. Then here is the direction of the page number. You want your page number to be in the top. It means top, it means inside your header.
okay,
Then if you select to be in top, then you want it to be in top, then you want it to be in left hand side, or you want it to be in center, or you want it to be in right hand side, or you want it to be in like page one, or you want it to be in page one in right hand side. But normally
okay.
you say, I'm with you.
Really? Yeah. Yes, I can hear you. The only problem is that it's network problem. Sometimes the
Yes, it's not
will
tough.
cut off, but I'm following.
Okay, let me control. We exceed the time. Time is then normally we use this button of
Okay,
page to insert our page number.
okay,
You just
okay,
select here. When you select
okay,
it, your page number will insert it defaultly.
okay,
You see, you have
okay,
one here, we
okay.
have two here, then we have
Yes,
three, then four, then five. Continuously, anywhere your document ended, then your page number will ended in the last
yeah, all
document.
right. Okay.
You see, our document ended at the page five. If you added
Yes.
one using enter, it will continue at six. You see, our
Okay.
page
Up
number
to the
continue
last
as continuously.
up to the last page. Oh, the
Okay,
last
now
yes.
you understand how to insert it.
I really understand and I really appreciate and thank you for the wonderful presentation.
I can't hear you. Please
So we look
just
forward.
drop your chat on the drop your question on the chat box. I can't hear what you are saying.